Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. Today we are starting a new series on object-oriented programming or OOP in Java. In the first video, we will cover what OOP is, its importance, benefits and the key principle that make it so powerful. So, what is object-oriented programming? OOP is a programming paradigm that uses object to design applications and programs. A object is a self-contained component that contains attributes and the methods need to make a certain type of data useful. Now, why OOP is important? The main advantage of OOP is that it allows for better data management and modularity. By encapsulating data and function into object, we can create more manageable and maintainable code. OOP also promotes code reusability through inheritance and polymorphism, making it easier to extend and modify existing code without breaking it. This results in more flexible and scalable system. The core principle of OOP are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. Let's break each of them down. First, let's talk about encapsulation. The principle involves binding of data and function into a single entity. It restricts direct access to some of the object component, which will prevent from the misuse of the data. Next will be the abstraction. Abstraction is the concept of hiding complex implementation details and showing only the necessary feature of the object. This is achieved by using abstract classes and interfaces. Next will be the inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism where we can create a new class based on an existing class. The new class inherits the attribute and behavior of the existing class, allowing for hierarchical classification. Next will be the polymorphism. Polymorphism allows object to be treated as an instance of their parent class rather than their actual class. The most common use of polymorphism in OOP is when a parent class reference is used to refer to a child class object. To sum up, object-oriented programming is a powerful paradigm that helps in managing complex software systems by structuring code into object. Its principle, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism provide a robust framework for creating reusable and maintainable code. In the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into each of these principles and see how we can implement these in Java. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video is out. What do you think is the most important benefit of OOP? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comment, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next video.